Yeah guys, it's Ryan K back again. Today we're going to be looking at another little trick we can do in Spire, on plenty of sims actually. It's just something to increase your workflow, your speed making the track. It's just using the macro controls to change a lot of parameters instead of just one at the same time. So this is going to have many benefits. So normally in FL Studios, I know you have to have the automations on all separate lanes or happen at separate times. If you use a macro control, you can move all these in one go. This is really useful for build-ups or breakdowns, or if you just want to have a bit of movement in the track. So as always, I've got my Spire up. I like to use my Spire, but this works in any synth. Now here's a melody I've quickly made, just to demo this. That's what it sounds like. You get the point. So what we're going to be looking at in Spire today is the modulation wheel here. So you could use these different knobs here, these macro knobs here, to do the same job. You just have to link them to different parameters, okay? Like I say, normally you could just turn up the cutoff like this in the synth. But today I wanted to increase many different parameters at the same time. We're going to go down to the matrix. So this is where you can route all of the different things, okay? So the source is going to be the cutoff. Source is going to be the modulation wheel. So what the source basically means is what's going to change these different things that you put on the different triggers, okay? So the different triggers are the things that you want to change, okay? So think of this like a lever of some sort, and these are the things that you want to change, okay? So let's say I wanted to change the cutoff. Now I don't like the cutoff this low normally. I like it a bit louder. So let's say we're bass. That's the lowest value we can have now. Now we're going to change this to filter and cutoff. Easy. Now the amount you put up is the amount the filter cutoff will increase when you increase the mod wheel. So if I put this all the way up, it'll open fully. If I put it here, simple. Again, another thing you can increase could be the reverb. So I'm going to increase the dry wet signal. So if you don't know what dry wet means is it's just the signal coming from the synthesizers, okay? From the different oscillators in the synthesizer. Wet is fully just the reverb coming out, and of course in between is around a mix of both. So let's add the reverb to the trigger section. So reverb, wet, dry. And what I like to do is put it fully up, then bring it down to the level I want maximum, if that makes sense. I'll show you with the mod open. That will do. So, and again, what else we could do is add some delay. So delay, dry, wet, exact same principle as before. The beauty of this is you can add any different parameter to change on the synth, so anything you want. Well, most things. Now, something else you could practice if maybe increase the amplitude or the volume of some of the oscillators, the output very slightly. So when you do increase the mod wheel, you get a bit more. It's a bit more powerful sound in the synth. It's a bit louder, so it'll help on a build up.
It just makes it sound very, very, way more stronger.
Now, you don't want to go wild on this because you don't have a completely different sound before and after. Well, you might do if you want. There's no rules, but traditionally you wouldn't want it like this. But having a little bit of it might work nice. Mix, oscillator, mixer, amp, 1. Let's do a bit of 1. See if this works. spot on. It's easy as that. Now, the whole point in this is because when you make an automation clip, you can just use one lane to do it. So I'll quickly show you what that looks like. So how to do it, you just press it in FL Studios, press the little triangle up here, browse parameters, and then look for help. If you click this, it'll put it straight onto it like that. There you go. Mod wheel, right click, create automation clip. There you go. Simple as. Okay. Imagine if I had to do that for all 4 of them. Okay, all 4 of the different lanes. Now, and it's not as simple as from bottom to top. For example, I've got the cutoff quite low on here, but it's not to the bottom. So it won't start off the bottom, and it's really easy to forget that when you're programming and adding in the automation, that you just put it at the bottom and it's not what you're after. Okay, so guys, a really quick, easy tip. It's definitely more of a beginner tip for you, but if you're not doing this, I would definitely start doing this, okay? So make sure to subscribe and like the video, guys. It really helps. I'm going to be doing a video releasing every single Friday. Okay, so little tips like this. And again, I'll be starting the series again of making a trans track from scratch after I get my new comp here. So take care, guys. Bye.